Do you love playing video games? Do you love watching videos? Do you love making money from doing what you love? If so, this video will be perfect for you because I'll be showing you this brand new website that we've never talked about before. You get paid $9 for every 15 minutes. Do the math and see. You can make $36 or more every single hour, literally just to play video games and watch videos. And the best part of this is you don't have to invest any money to get started. You don't need any skills or previous experience, no websites or blogs, no affiliate marketing. You can do this from anywhere in the world, guys. And congratulations to Jason McDermott, who won the $1,000 giveaway last week. And guys, you also can win this $1,000 giveaway by commenting the country you live in. Comment down below "I'm from" and type your country and enter the contest to win this $1,000 giveaway. And make sure you tap on the like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm. And if you are new here, make sure you tap on the red subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so I'll be sending you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy to earn money online, so you'll be one of the first persons around the globe to use it and make the most of it. Now you might ask yourself, how can I earn like $36 or more per hour by just playing games or watching videos? Who will be paying me? Good question, guys. The answer is video game companies. But why? Guys, video gaming industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Gaming companies such as Roblox, Gihan Studios, Electronic Arts, Supercell, Epic Games are worth billions of dollars. And it's really valuable for these companies to get feedbacks about their games. What you liked, what you didn't like, what made sense, were they fun, were they interesting, what didn't actually make sense. They actually need to improve the interface and to improve the game itself day by day, so they can get more people hooked on their games, which will mean more future money for them, and it feels more than worth it for them to pay you $36 per hour to actually go through all of these games, so they can actually improve the game itself and earn more dollars themselves. So let's check the website out. Come over to playtestcloud.com. Playtest Cloud is your one-stop solution for playtesting mobile games during prototyping, development, soft launch, and after release. And guys, today we are here to test games, so you have to come over here and hit this Become a Tester button. And you have to complete this form to sign up, and after signing up there will be a qualification test which is unpaid. That means it's actually free. It teaches you how to play test, and if you fail the qualification test, don't worry, you can retake the test for absolutely free, and after you qualify they'll invite you to play test where you can earn money. So here you have to give your email, your full name, which games do you like to play at least weekly, and they say they love mobile games, but you can include PC console games that you play as well. I hope you know about some games. If you don't know about games, go to Google and type some popular mobile games, popular PC games, and type your favorite games over here. And this is important, your gaming devices. Please add the devices you own to your profile. If you don't add any devices, we won't be able to send you any play tests. I hope you have at least one of these devices. So if it's an iOS, you can select your phone from here. Okay, and if you have an iPad, you can choose your iPad, and if you're using an Android device, you can search your device from here. And other devices, computer with microphone, laptop, MacBook, Apple Watches, Windows Phone, feature phones, Xbox, Nintendo, PS5, PS4. You can choose whatever the device you have. It's alright if you just choose only one, and you can select the country you live in. Check this out. It has each and every country of the world, guys. So that's why I said it works worldwide. Your gender, your birthday, agree to their terms of service, And this is important, guys. There are some common questions, okay? How do I become a tester? What's the playtest cloud and all? Look at this. How much money will I earn? Generally, a 15-minute playtest and a survey will have a reward of $9. They also make payments in Great Britain pounds, and that's $9 for 15 minutes. And you can read these other common questions as well. I'm not taking your time, and let's start this. And after signing up, your first test will be a 5-minute qualification test to teach you how to playtest games. Check your inbox to get started. And in this video, it's about how to get started as a playtester. You can play this video and see. She's basically talking about, what it takes to be on playtest and all. And let's go to our email address to get started. And this is your email. Thanks for signing up as a playtester. Record at least 5 minutes of you playing this game using our recording software. Your recording will upload automatically but does depend on the strength of your Wi-Fi. Think out loud while you're playing. Check out our tips for improving your talking if you are having any trouble. So let's see the tips. When talking in a playtest, try to think of it like a stream of consciousness. You can talk about, wow, this makes sense, that button adds a real value, like that. Guys, for this you should have an idea about the game, so it doesn't matter if you haven't played it before. But when you're playing, you can get an idea. You can tell them what you just see in the game. We're going to come back and start, okay? And guys, you can install this on your iOS device. It says an iOS device, as I chose iOS devices when I signed up. Don't worry, if you're using Android or something else, you'll see a different button over here. So I'm gonna install this right now. I'm gonna open up my phone. I'm actually gonna record 5 minutes of me playing a game, talking out loud. Don't worry, no one is gonna show your face. And I'm not gonna do this on this actual video because it's gonna bore you guys. But essentially what I would do is I would say, okay, this is the game. It looks pretty interesting and fun. I'm gonna tell about the start screen that appears when I start the game. Well, it doesn't matter what you tell as long as you talk about the particular game, guys. You can say it's good, it's bad, it's fun, it doesn't make sense, or in fact you can say whatever you like. Guys, it's just 5 minutes, no pressure, okay? Keep things cool, don't think too much of your grammar. And guys, 99% people won't do this. And if you're the 1% who actually does it, you can get paid to play video games. Basically, what you have to do is to install a game on your device, record for 5 minutes, and it's going to automatically upload to Playtest Cloud. And once your recording is reviewed, and you'll get approved. Or if you don't get approved, you can do the test again. Don't worry, they'll tell you why you didn't get the approval, and they will tell you how to do it better next time. And the next time actually you submit it, you can take the test as many times until you get approved, and then you can go to Playtest Cloud, play games and watch videos to make $36 every single hour. And if you'd love to watch more strategies to make money online, I have a brand new playlist of videos just like this that you can actually use to earn money online and have the financial freedom you want. I have the playlist coming to you live on your screen in 3, 2, 1.